Elon Musk's social media platform, X, is rolling out a new update for Android users, introducing the ability to have audio and video conversations. This feature will be part of the premium package for users who have updated the app. To manage these features, users can navigate to the app's settings, specifically in the privacy and safety section under direct messages, where they can easily enable or disable audio and video calling. The update comes with added flexibility, allowing users to select from 3 groups: contacts, followed users, and verified users, who are authorized to make calls to them, enhancing the control over their communication experience. X has been making strides in offering more features, recently introducing a basic paid tier targeted at verified organizations. Priced at $200 per month or $2,000 per year, this tier provides perks like a gold checkmark badge and ad credits. These advancements indicate X's commitment to enhancing user experience and expanding its offerings in the social media landscape.